Hey, do you want to know how incoming call notification works? Then this series is for you. Follow me. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another YouTube series. This series is a bit more realistic. So far we have talked about how to set up calls, how to start the basic of the calls, but this time we are going to handle a real case scenario. For example, we have learned how to handle the call inside the application when the application is open. But what happens if the user B is offline? Right now we are going to set up the notifications and send an incoming call notification to the user B. So in this course, you will learn how to add FCM service in your Android application. Also, you can set up the FCM admin panel in your backend project. So what you will learn is how to get the Firebase token in your Android client and store it inside your backend. And then the backend decides whom to send the notification. Another thing that you need to know is that this course is written on top of the cross-platform video call application. So we are using the basics of the video call from this application. All we are doing is adding the FCM service to this project and managing the calls using the incoming call notification. Let me show you an example. So we have our apps on two devices up and running. On the previous version, we used to copy and paste the username of this emulator here. And whenever we used to call the other guy, we used to see a notification like this inside the application. So if I press yes, we should be able to see the connection established and the call keeps going. But what happens if one user closes the application, or in another word, the user is offline, it's not connected to the backend? We are going to show a notification like this. And if we accept the call, we should be able to see that both clients get into the call screen and the connection gets established. So in this series, you will get a vision how to handle a real world scenario. I'm just giving you basic tips and implementation of the Firebase notification and show you how you can handle the push notification from the server to the client. So the rest of it is on you. If you're interested in this series, follow the next video. Till the next one, see ya.